You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's find out what is this Roman numeral. How do you write the meaning of this Roman numeral? How do you write in Latin 666 or 666? This is how you write it, DCLXVI. Why? D is for 500, C is 1 century, so 100. So D plus C is 500 plus 1, 600. You got this? Alright, now the L is 50, the X is 10. 50 plus 10, 60. That's the second. 6. V is 5, I is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Here you got it. The 3 sixes, DC 600, LX 60, VI 6, 666 as a Roman numeral. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.